What's up, everyone? Vincent here. So, you want to visit Switzerland? Well, here's the thing. Most people get their visa applications rejected because they miss one or two crucial steps. But don't worry, because today I'm breaking down the exact process to get your Schengen visa approved in 2026. And I'm sharing all the insider tips that nobody talks about. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do, what documents you need, and how to avoid the mistakes that get most applications denied. If you find this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe because I post guides like this every week. Now, let's get into it. First, let's cover the basics. What exactly is a Schengen visa? A Schengen visa lets you travel to 27 European countries, including Switzerland, for up to 90 days within a 180-day period. One visa, 27 countries. Pretty sweet deal, right? The Schengen area includes Switzerland, France, Germany, Italy, Spain, and 22 other countries. So you can literally plan a multi-country European adventure with just this one visa. There are different types: tourist, business, family visit, and transit. Today we're focusing on the tourist visa. But honestly, the process is almost identical for all types. Quick question, do you even need a Schengen visa? If you're from the EU, USA, Canada, Australia, or certain other countries, you can enter Switzerland visa-free for short stays. But if you're from India, China, Turkey, Russia, most Middle Eastern or African countries, then yes, you need this visa. All right, here's where most people mess up. Let me give you the complete checklist. Valid passport. Needs to be valid for at least 3 months after you plan to leave Europe. Must have at least 2 blank pages and can't be older than 10 years. Completed visa application form. Fill it out completely and accurately. No blank spaces. Download it from the Swiss Embassy website. 2 recent passport photos from the last 6 months. White or light background, facing forward, no glasses. Don't use old photos. Travel insurance. Must cover at least 30,000 euros for medical emergencies across all Schengen countries. This is mandatory. You can get it online, costs around $20 to $50 depending on your trip length. Flight reservation, showing your round-trip itinerary. Don't buy the actual ticket yet, just get a reservation. If your visa gets rejected, you don't want to lose that money. Hotel reservations for your entire stay. Every single night needs to be accounted for. If you're staying with family or friends, you need an invitation letter plus their proof of residence. Proof of financial means bank statements from the last 3 to 6 months showing you can afford the trip. Generally, you need around 100 to 150 Swiss francs per day. So for a 10-day trip, show at least 1,500 francs or equivalent in your currency. Employment letter from your employer stating your position, salary, and approved leave dates. If you're self-employed, bring business registration documents and tax returns. Travel itinerary, a detailed day-by-day plan of what you'll be doing in Switzerland, where you're going, what you're visiting. Don't just write tourism, be specific. Proof of ties to your home country. This is huge. Property ownership documents, family ties, ongoing business commitments, anything that proves you'll return home after your trip. Now let's talk about the actual application process. Step 1, apply early. Submit your application at least 3 to 4 weeks before your trip, but no earlier than 6 months before. The Swiss Embassy recommends applying 15 days before travel at minimum, but trust me, give yourself more time. Step 2, book your appointment. Go to the Swiss Embassy or consulate website in your country or the VFS Global website if they handle visa applications in your area. Book an appointment online. Step 3, pay the visa fee. As of 2026, the standard Schengen visa fee is 90 euros for adults and 45 euros for children aged 6 to 12. Kids under 6 are free. Payment methods vary by location. Step 4, attend your appointment. Arrive on time with all your documents organized. They'll collect your biometrics, fingerprints, and photo. The interview is usually quick, just basic questions about your trip. Applying to the wrong country? If you're visiting multiple Schengen countries, apply through the country where you'll spend the most time. not your first entry point. If you're spending 5 days in Switzerland and 2 in France, apply for a Swiss visa. Poor quality documents. Don't submit blurry photocopies or documents in languages other than English, German, French, or Italian without certified translations. Alright, that's everything you need to know about getting your Switzerland Schengen Visa in 2026. Get your documents together early, make sure everything is consistent, show strong financial stability and ties to your home country, and apply with plenty of time before your trip. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more travel guides. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. I read every single one, and I'll do my best to help you out. Safe travels, everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.